evening, children. Today's experiment is analysis of simple salt. It can be done in 3 steps. First step, preliminary test. Second step, detection of acid radical. Third step, detection of basic radical. Then finally we have to report the salt. Preliminary test can be done in 3 steps: state, color and solubility. Let us check state. State of our salt is crystalline. See, state is crystalline, color is white. Now I am checking the solubility. Take a pinch of salt, add water, salted water. So original solution is salt plus water. Our salt is completely soluble in water. Solubility is in water. Now I am checking the detection of acid radical. Detection of first group acid radical. For first group acid radical, I take salt and I am adding dilute HCl. Salt plus dilute HCl. See here, no reaction, no brisk effervescence. First group acid radical is absent. Now I will check the presence of second group acid radical. See here, I am taking a salt in a dry test tube. For this, I am adding concentrated sulfuric acid. Salt in a dry test tube plus concentrated sulfuric acid. No reaction in cold condition. No characteristics gas avoided in cold condition. So, I am heating the above test tube by adding copper turnings. See here, I am heating the test tube by using copper turnings. Observe what happens. See here, on heating only I am getting reddish brown fumes. See here, how reddish brown fumes are evolved. See here, see the test tube, I am getting reddish brown fumes after heating the test tube with copper turnings. So second group acid radical present, nitrate present. Confirmative test for nitrate ion, that is brown green test. I take salt solution, this is salt solution, then equal amount of, this is ferrous sulfate, I am preparing freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. I take salt solution, I am adding freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution, equal amount of freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. For this I am taking salt solution plus freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. For this I am adding concentrated sulfuric acid on the sides of the test tube, along the sides of the test tube, along the sides of the test tube. See here, two liquids. See now, a brown ring is formed at the junction of the two liquids. This is brown ring. A brown color ring is formed. A brown color ring is formed at the junction of the liquid. This confirms the presence of nitrate. So the given acid radical is nitrate ion. So now we will analyze or detect the presence of basic radical. Now basic radical. For zero group basic radical, I take a salt. For zero group basic radical, I take a salt plus dilute NaOH. Salt plus dilute NaOH. Salt plus dilute NaOH. See here, I am smelling the gas. No pungent smell. No pungent smell of ammonia gas is observed. So, zero group basic radical is absent. Now, I move to detection of first group basic radical. For first group basic radical, I take salt solution. For this salt solution, I am adding original solution plus dilute HCl. See here, original solution plus dilute HCl, no precipitate. First group basic radical absent. Next, I move to second group basic radical. For second group basic radical, I am taking original solution, dilute HCl. For this, I am adding H2S. I am adding H2S. No precipitate. Second group basic radical absent. Then I move to LPs. See here, for third group basic radical, I take original solution. For this original solution, I am adding solid NH4Cl. Original solution plus solid NH4Cl. Then for this, I am adding excess of NH4OH. See here, original solution, solid NH4Cl and adding NH4OH solution, excess. No precipitate, third group basic radical absent. Then I move to detection of fourth group basic radical. I am taking original solution. See here, I am taking original solution. Adding solid NH4Cl. Then I am adding NH4OH excess. NH4OH excess. For this, I am adding ammonium carbonate. See here, original solution, solid NH4Cl, NH4OH excess and ammonium carbonate. See here, if I am adding ammonium carbonate, I am getting a white precipitate. Formation of white precipitate indicates that fifth group basic radical present may be barium, strontium or calcium. Now I am testing for the presence of barium. Test for barium. For this, I am taking a 2 drops of original solution. 2 drops of original solution and add potassium chromate. And I am adding potassium chromate. No precipitate is formed. No PPT is formed. I am getting only yellow solution. No precipitate. No precipitate is formed. So barium is absent. Now I will check the presence of strontium. Presence of strontium. For this, I am taking original solution. For original solution, I am adding ammonium sulfate. Original solution. And I am adding ammonium sulfate. Original solution plus ammonium sulfate. See here, original solution plus ammonium sulfate, I am getting white precipitate. Formation of white precipitate indicates that the fifth group basic radical is Sr2 plus strontium ion. The given basic radical is strontium ion. Now I am doing confirmative test for strontium, that is flame test. I take a salt. I am making the paste of a salt with concentrated HCl. See, I am taking the salt and make the paste of the salt with a concentrated HCl. And I ignite the paste by using Bunsen burner. See here, I am ignite the paste by using Bunsen burner. See the color. What is the color observed in Bunsen burner? See the color. I am getting becomes crimson red. It indicates or it confirms the presence of strontium. So the given basic radical is strontium and given acid radical is nitrate. So this salt is strontium nitrate. Thank you for watching video.